How to remove note on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. So as you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Select on your profile icon, and as you can see on your profile, you can see a note above your profile picture. So if you want to remove this note on Facebook profile, simply tap on it. And here you'll have two options: replace note or delete the note. Now since we want to remove the note on Facebook profile, we have to select on delete note, and the pop-up will be here which asks if you really would want to remove our note from Facebook and Messenger. So simply tap on delete, and then now you can just refresh the page, and there you go, you have removed note on Facebook profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.